Doctors carefully removed his kidney and placed it into a machine to keep it alive. In a nearby room, his sister waited on the operating table. Her kidneys were failing, and this transplant would save her life. Now, the kidney sat on the counter, cooling in the machine, until a nurse came back from her lunch break. She saw the machine and assumed the transplant was already in his sister's room. So she took out the basin holding the kidney and dumped it straight into a medical waste bin. By the time anyone realized what happened, the kidney had been ruined. For months, his sister was back on dialysis as she waited for another one until she finally received one, but it wasn't as healthy as the one her brother had tried to give her, meaning she had to live with a weaker kidney for the rest of her life.
यो इंग्लिशको के लेखाउने हो? म्याथको त्यही सिद्धिसक्यो हो, त्यो 3 जा 4 जा 5 जा अनि त्यो 101 देखि 50 सम्म त्यति मात्र हो म्याथको चाहिँ। नेपालीको चाहिँ सकिसक्यो। अब इंग्लिशको बाँकी छ। म्याथको 3 जा देखि 5 जा सम्म लेख्यो अनि 1 देखिको 50 सम्म लेख्यो, 101 देखि 50 सम्म। इंग्लिशको के बाँकी र के छ हेर्दिनु त। अनि म्याथको पनि त्यति नै हो, म्याथको सकेको हो।
हेलो, मेरो आवाज गइरहेछ नि त्यो? मेरो आवाज गइरहेछ नि त्यो? मेरो साउन्ड चाहिँ त गइरहेछ नि त्यो?